If you've got a business administration support business and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to do exactly that. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video. No credit card details needed at all. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market. Business administration support. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select the templates. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service because we have happy users from all around the world. Let's go ahead and change that type of business to service. Click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic and create a website with all the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It literally did so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you might want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre written for you. Perhaps upload some of your own images. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding to make amendments to your Marty Sites website. You don't need to be a professional of any sorts when it comes to web development. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website so my customers can actually reach out to me if they need to. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on site. Excellent, it's visible. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number under this section. That number is click to call, by the way. If you have a physical location, street address, put it in over here. Will be displayed in the top left hand corner. Great thing about that address, when your customers actually click on that address, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on, from Instagram to Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook. Pop in all the links over here. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Awesome, let's move along. If you have a business logo for your website, go ahead and upload it over here. Once it's been uploaded, if you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames, you can click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save. On the right here, you can make your logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. We've also recently introduced a feature where you can actually update the design and the layout. You can actually centralize your logo. Maybe you want it displayed in the middle. All you need to do is click on layout options. Let's move along. Now, with Marty Sites, we've pre-selected the colors for you as well. If you want to amend them, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes, so many to choose from, and you don't need to know color coding at all. It's really simple. Just select the color palette that you like for your business that goes with your branding, your logo, and your message. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Over here, you can browse your device to upload your own images, search the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. If you go back to all photo options, you can also now connect your Instagram account and directly pull in your Instagram images from your profile instead of all the work of individually uploading them. This is really a handy way to upload all those images with a click of a button. All you need to do is click on connect your Instagram account. Under update action is where you can change those buttons, the links, where they link to, and even the text on the button. Click on choose link and go through the various links you can link to, even upload a PDF file as well. Under update content is where you can change all that content that was pre-written for your business as a guideline. Look at that, looks absolutely fantastic. Very happy with my website so far, and I can customize it so easily. And the last section over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. They'll put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified by your registered email address that you have a new lead. Also, find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on your domain, connect your domain at the bottom to set it up. If you'd like to purchase a new domain, click on the green button to make your website look even more personalized and professional. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.